Let's take a look at this 1959 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. 59, one of the iconic Cadillac with the big wings in the back. Lots of chrome, lots of options. This particular car is still in the original color of Brenton blue, and the interior would have been a blue vinyl and fabric combination interior, so still in the original colors. This one is powered by the 390 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood, which is the correct engine that these would have came with when they were brand new. Cadillacs, this is when they started having a lot of standard options to them, 1959. Power steering, power brakes, both standard, the automatic transmission, which would be a 4-speed automatic transmission, backup lamps, 2-speed wipers, windows, power locks, to name a few, or excuse me, power seat, power window and power seats, to name a few. So a long line of standard options on this car. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, so you can see underneath the hood, check out the engine, check out the undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or if you look down in the description of this video, there's a link you can click on. It'll take you right there. Feel free to call us too. The number we can be reached at is 507-386-1726. Let you take a peek at the interior, and when I get around to the driver's side, I'll show it also. So front bench seat, like I said, blue vinyl cloth combinations, which it would have came with from Cadillac back in the day. This particular car was a West Virginia car the majority of its life. Previous owner stated that it was original miles in the 60,000 some range. I don't have any way to confirm that or not, just passing along what information I've been told. I did notice a couple little spots above the fender skirts back here where the paint showed its age a little bit, and it's right there. A couple real small spots, just want to make you aware of. There's one on the other side too, but other than that, you can see pretty straight, solid car. I would call this a driver quality paint on this car. Not perfect, but still shows very, very nice. It's a little bit older paint. Like I said, there's a lot of like car show plaques, what have you, from West Virginia back in the 80s and 90s. So like I said, and this car did come to us from the southeastern United States also. So that's where the car's been. I'll show you that one little spot I noticed over here too, kind of right in there. You can see that. So I want to make you aware of it. Again, nice runner driver. 1959 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Go ahead and check out the entire interior. We'll fire it up. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Lots of equipment on this one. I did have the wipers working fine earlier. I have not had the radio, stock radio it looks like in it. I have not had that working. Headliner in nice shape also. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Listen to that 390 run. See, the car starts easy enough. There it is, 66,693. Like I said, believed to be original miles on this one. That as a generator light. Just when it's down low on the idle. Let it warm up a little bit. Let's slip out back of it so you can hear it run. That door closes nicely. Nothing crazy, just a little rumble coming out of that V8 underneath the hood. We'll slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this video here a second. Real quick though, 507-386-1726 is where you can give us a call. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the pictures, or like I said, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that, it'll take you there. I'm going to pause this now, and we'll check out underneath the hood. All right, got the hood popped. See that V8 running nice and smooth underneath there. Again, power steering, power brakes, lots of good equipment. Standard equipment came into this Cadillac back in the day. Now, we do have financing. We do consider trades. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this car where you're located at. So give us a call. Once again, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video in the description. There's a link. Click on that. Take you to our website. 1959 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Give us a call.